What's up, guys? The forecast calls for some rain, but that's not going to stop us from celebrating her birthday. Say hi, Belle.
Hi.
How old are you turning? You gotta tell them.
9.
You gotta tell the internet, the world. Okay then. The weather won't stop us from celebrating having a fun day at Disneyland. So welcome to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Welcome back, guys. The weather's holding up for the moment, and it looks pretty good.
I have rain.
Hey, Belle.
Hi.
How's your birthday so far?
Good
Happy.
birthday. Reese threw up, so now we have to wait here to get into there, and we're just waiting for them to just change her.
You'll see Reese in a second. We'll introduce you guys.
20 minutes later.
Hey, guys. If you can't already tell by my face and my the wet spots on my glasses, the weather has gotten significantly worse in like the past 5 to 10 minutes. Say hi, Belle.
Hi.
What do you think of the rain now? Hi, Auntie Malin. What do you think of the rain?
I hate rain. Reese has some way, like earlier she threw up, and I told you that. And then, like when we were at the baby center, she fell on her pants and it was wet. Now they're wet. Say hi. Say hi, people.
I'm singing in the rain. Glorious feeling I'm having. No, who am I kidding? It's actually really windy now. The wind is starting to pick up. We're heading over to Astro Blasters right now. I wonder what my score will be this time.
Mission accomplished.
So I was supposed to ride with them back there, but they didn't want to ride with me, I guess. Ranger first class, oh yeah. Not bad. Level 5. What'd you get, Dad? Yeah.
I'm getting good at this.
How did I get B? So right now we're waiting for Star Tours.
I don't know.
He dances really good, remember? And he married... Yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. He's in Wreck-It Ralph. He's a video game character.
He can fix anything.
Yes, just do it. Skip it.
You missed 3.
Alright, who's next?
You got 3.
Who's next?
But...
You want to try Auntie Malin?
Your turn.
I'll try.
Oh yeah, Bare Necessity.
Oh, I don't know what this name is.
Mowgli's best friend.
I don't know any of these.
The dragon from Mulan.
I don't, from Mulan. He tried to
Eddie
help her.
Murphy.
It's like food.
Eddie Murphy.
Kind of like
He's small.
Mushu.
Yes!
It's good, it's funny.
Yes.
I mean, I emphasize it, and you do look like that. So yeah,
Claim me if I look like this.
I will claim you even if you look
Like Pumbaa.
like double that.
You look like Daft Punk.
Party on, Mickey.
Yeah, I think this is a jig. Yeah.
What are you doing here? I have no idea. Well, stay low.
I know.
Put the shields up. If they work.
So cool. I'm gonna go see Star Wars stuff. Did you show him the sign? So big. I'll just tell them. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away.
There was a little girl named Belle, and it was her 9th birthday. Oh, look at her. May the force be with you.
Thank you. Oh my God, he's in there. Ow. Oh God, I'm so excited.
You're going first.
Why?
Because it's your birthday.
Unless you really want to see him.
It's their birthdays.
How old are you? How old are you? Go in there, boys.
Don't be shy. Stand here. Let me guess. Upright, law-abiding citizens. How charming. I'm waiting.
Happy
awesome.
Happy birthday, Belle. You got to meet a celebrity.
Yay! I got
let's
to
go see
meet my
Kylo Ren.
favorite character. No. I got Kylo Ren scares me.
There you go.
Go on Happiest Place.
Hyperspace Mountain.
I love this ride. Action.
Adventure!
Yeah.
Adventure!
Adventure.
The Force!
Yeah.
Jedis!
Yeah.
X-Wings!
True.
TIE Fighters!
Thing. Our own.
Rocket!
Yeah, our own rocket.
Ship!
Yeah, our own ship.
And there we are in the back.
It's in my mouth.
That's us.
That's us right there.
Alright, what's up guys? We're in Frontierland now. Go back in time in our DeLorean and now we're in Frontierland. Yes, I upload them.
How come I don't see them?
What do you look for on YouTube?
Do you have a channel?
Yes, I do.
My hair. It's cool.
We're going on Big Thunder.
You remember the
He
sign?
didn't go in space with us. I don't know why. He was tired.
Hopefully you're tall enough so you can ride it.
Hopefully. Was it like 49 inches?
I don't know.
Let's go check Indy.
Go. Good.
Yeah!
This has to be the first year.
Yeah, let's go. Congratulations, you are now able to ride the Indiana Jones adventure. How do you feel, AJ?
Later.
What do you think? Was it fun? You crying? You alright? Okay, did you have fun? Alright, so it's almost nighttime now. In fact, one of our family members needs to say bye now.
Bye.
That's our auntie.
We did.
Peace.
Not all day. You guys sat here.
Blech.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Go get her, girl.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belle. Hey. Singing. Happy birthday
And Reese.
to you.
And Reese.
Hey, she's not 29.
92. 92.
Reese, blow. Blow, Reese. Reese, blow. Blow.
Blow, Reese, blow. Blow the candle. Blow, Reese.
Blow, Reese.
What? Boom.
Yay! Saliva all over.
Did you get that on camera?
Yes, I did.
Meanwhile.
You did that to me too. So I was like, and they're like, well, we're gonna have to dispose of it. I was like, man. Now they have that metal detector. Yeah, that's what I was figuring. I was like, dude, they're gonna. I bet you if they don't find it here, they're gonna have me go through the metal detector anyway. So I was like, whatever. I know they made.
Oh, there's a lot of birds. Bird attack.
That's everywhere.
Look how creepy Haunted Mansion looks right now.
Yeah, because of like the sunset.
Right?
Yeah.